Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Moving on to the soft glam look, I'm gonna take the Plouise base shade Rumour 2. I'm gonna pat it on my lids. This eyeshadow primer makes every eyeshadow pop. I'm just gonna set it with a translucent powder so that it doesn't crease. Taking the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette, I'm just gonna blend it into my crease using the I Need It brush set from the Morphe holiday collection. I'm just gonna blend out the transition shade. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills x Jaclyn Aina palette, I'm gonna take the shade Credit and I'm just gonna darken the transition color, blending it very lightly up to my crease, halfway into my crease there. Taking the I Need It brush set, the brush, and blending it out. Taking the Morphe 18A Blue Away palette, I'm just going to pack some eyeshadow onto my eyelids, and I'm going to do the same to the other eye also. Also moving on to Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, I'm just going to take the shade Poof so that to lighten that eyeshadow that was kept on my eyelids from the 18A palette. Taking some mascara from Essence, I'm just going to apply mascara to my eyelashes. I'm just going to use this a brand called Moon Pie, which no longer exists. Taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I'm just gonna pat that primer onto my skin, pat, making sure it's very tacky. Taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 355 Coconut, I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. I love it. It's really matte. Now blending it out. This sponge is very soft. I so love the sponge. There, blending out. Taking the Colourpop No Filter concealer, I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyes, on my chin area, and on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. I'm using two shades there, one very light and the other one which matches my skin. There, just gonna take the other shade so that I can match that other skin. Now blending it out, I'm just gonna blend with the same sponge that I used to blend my foundation. Blend everywhere. Blend. Taking the Juvia's Place Setting Powder in the shade Kalahari, I'm just gonna apply very minimal powder. I'm not gonna bake. Just gonna apply very little. Taking the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the shade Cassava, I'm just gonna use that to dust out the Juvia's Place powder. There, very lightly. Make sure your brush has powder before you dust out, or you're gonna move out product everywhere onto your skin. So I make sure the brush is dipped into the Juvia's powder. Now taking Makeup Revolution P18, if not F18, and I'm just going to use that as my contour shade, and later on I'm just going to set everything with the LA Girl powder. Yes, there underneath my eyes. Then taking on the eyeshadows that I used and blending it underneath my eyes. Then taking the Morphe Pop of Fuschia blush trio, just gonna apply it on my cheeks. There. Taking the Amrezy highlighter palette. Yes, girl, that's gonna pop everywhere. Pop. Applying it on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. There. Taking the all-nighter setting spray, I'm just gonna spray all that so that the powder and everything can set on my face. Taking the Morphe lipstick. One is Freestyle Liquid Matte and the other one is Virgin Freestyle Lip Gloss and Virgin Liquid Matte. Taking my Jam from Colourpop, that's a gloss. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, beauty_by_Ethel. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, see you. You can see that highlighter is popping. Yes, honey, that highlighter is popping. Yes, if you want to see more videos, please don't forget to tell me down below in the comments. I'm just gonna put everything that I have used on the subscription box. In the description box. See you until next time. Bye. Follow me on Instagram for more.